Why do 70% of typists pick tactile switches for satisfaction? Because feel matters more than you think. Here's the breakdown. First up, clicky switches. Cherry MX Blue, loud, snappy, perfect if you love that typewriter crack. Next, tactile switches. Glorious Panda, Zelios. You get a satisfying bump without the noise. Great for balance. Last, linear switches. Cherry MX Red, Gateron inks, smooth, fast, ideal for gaming or quiet desks. Pro tip, try switch testers. And hot swap boards before committing. Like this quick guide, smash that like button. And subscribe for more keyboard nerd content.